Hey guys, what's up? It's Nelia. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about my first time trying finger coils. Okay guys, let's get right into it, okay? I washed my hair. I want to say I just co-washed my hair, which if you're going to do this style, I highly recommend shampooing, clarifying, all that good stuff, but I was being lazy. So I co-washed my hair, and the two products I used for my finger coils are the Eden Natural Curl Defining Cream and Eco Styler Gel. This is the black castor and flaxseed oil one. So I use these two, and luckily they get along together well, so no buildup or any issues like that. So I did this hair on like really wet hair, and I just divided the sections and just got to work. I watched a few videos, took a few tips down, but basically, essentially, I was winging this. I knew that the roots were very important and that to start twisting, I should really focus on the roots and just bring it around and around and around and make sure the end was really smooth and blah, 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 blah. So, I mean, it did turn out pretty well. The process did take forever, but if you think about it, this is supposed to last, what, a week or two? Like, I could definitely see it lasting longer than that. I decided to sit under my hooded dryer attachment and then air dried the rest of the way, and then I took them out the next morning. I took them out with my L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil that I used in my twist out video. I just love using that to take down things, as you can see. So I just used that and took it apart piece by piece. I didn't take it apart as much as it could be because I did want this style to grow over the next few days, so I just took them apart maybe once or twice a piece. Personally, don't like the shrinkage. I don't like shrinkage period in my hairstyles, so I already knew that was probably gonna happen. So I don't like this shrinkage, but you'll see that I kind of tug and pull and fluff with my pick and do the best I can, and pretty much went about my day. My hair just recently got cut into a diva cut, so I did like the shape that the diva cut gave me and what the finger coils provided with this shape, so that was all fine and dandy. To go to sleep, I just kind of push all my hair forward and put it up in a pineapple and tied it around with a scarf. I would say if I do this over again that to stretch it out even more, I would use the banding method, only because this shrinkage is ridiculous. I also have some pieces in the front. If I can find them for you. I kind of hit them in the back with the bobby pin, but they are a looser texture. It is not heat damage, it's actually just damage from stretching and pulling my hair into puffs constantly, and that's a looser curl pattern, so it's fed up. It's fed up. That could easily be fixed with a perm rod or something like that. I talk about this piece of hair for the longest, and yes, I will be cutting it eventually. Stay tuned for that tragic video. So let's talk about what I do like about finger coils. I do like that they will last a really long time. I know some people substitute finger coils instead of wash and goes and go about their day that way. I can definitely see that. It does get better with time, but it also does take a long time to do, so I would definitely, oh my gosh, I don't even know, like I would add in another hour to wash day if you're doing this style. It's one of those styles that take a long time but comes out bomb, so it's always worth it in the end kind of thing. I also like this style because you can have definition and volume. My favorite is always definition, but volume can definitely be achieved. Like I said, you can easily puff this up some more with a pick and the banding method and still have a nice coil at the end. The gel definitely keeps it in place, so Eco Styler was definitely a good choice for this one. I'd probably do that again. I also liked how this was easy to sleep with. You can be the wildest of wild sleepers and you'll probably be good. Like, I woke up and my scarf was all crooked and surprisingly still on, but crooked and all over the place, and my curls were still popping. I just had to fluff them up and they were good to go. So definitely do think they're a good sleep and destroy kind of style. So would I do this style like on the daily? No, I don't care for the curly suit shrinkage and all that and the time it takes. So it's not my favorite curly girl style, But I am trying new things here on my channel, new things with my hair, so I thought I would try this style out. That's my thought on finger coils. Let me know what products you guys like to use for your finger coils, because I'll definitely try it again sometime in the future. But I want to try new products and see if they do anything different or better. Alright, so that's basically my thoughts about the finger coils and a mini tutorial, I guess, if you can say that. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Join the family. I make natural hair videos every week and you guys would love them, so join the family. Make sure to turn on your notification bell so you're notified every time I put up a new video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.